How to fix Wi-Fi login page not showing on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix the Wi-Fi login page not showing on your Android phone. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. So the first thing that you will need to do is basic troubleshooting. For that, you can simply toggle off your Wi-Fi. So swipe down from the top and toggle off your Wi-Fi and then turn it back on. After you do that, it should fix your problem. If not, if you're not prompted to your Wi-Fi login page, you can then restart your phone. Sometimes simple glitches might be causing the problem, so press on the volume up and the power button together and you'll find the restart option. Tap on restart and restart your device. Now, if you don't want to restart and you want to do something with your network itself, head over to your settings. On your settings, go to network and internet. After you're here, tap on internet. And now select the Wi-Fi that you're connected to. And simply tap on disconnect or forget. So tap on forget and then just log back into the Wi-Fi again. And after you've reconnected, your problem should be fixed. If that does not work, you can then move on to some advanced fixes. That is opening the login page manually. For that, you'll need to find your router's default gateway. So head over to your Wi-Fi setting that we're currently on. That is the network details. Then scroll down and there you'll find the network gateway. Tap on it and copy it. So copy your network's gateway. After you do that, you can then head over to your browser. On your browser, simply paste the gateway and you'll be prompted to the login page. And it's that simple, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.